Good lord. I have an army of surgeons, flag bearers, and sergeants. Oh, I'm sorry, and to not forget the fifer at the back there. Sorry. Wonderful. Excellent news. Right then, right column, let's go. Have I got an entire line of bloody music? Oh, for God's sake.
It was Outlaw's idea, not mine.
Yeah.
Where is Celine Dion when you need her?
Yo, can you play Darude Sandstorm on that thing?
I'll give it a go.
Yes, dear boy.
I joined a fisting group. It's not something I'm into. I just needed to widen my friend circles.
Oh, you honourable bastard.
Back in line.
Go to the back of the line, indeed. You deserve to go to the back of the line for that joke. Goodness me.
That's an emotion.
That's made me feel things I didn't know I wanted to feel. Alright, so we've got a couple wounds.
Come on, flute better. My bullets are still off. Oh, sorry.
Right. Flute better, imbecile.
A really long shot.
Where the fuck did this come from?
Yeah, look. We've got a Sippy here digging us cover. Wow.
Thank you, Sippy.
Right, gents, once you're reloaded on the line.
We need it! We need cover! We need cover!
Oh, shit. That didn't help. Good lord. On the line, point blank range, take aim, and fire. Got one. Where did the line go?
Over there.
Yes, dear boy.
I have a pun.
Do I want to hear it?
All heading to our side.
Yeah?
Okay, go on then. On your head be it.
Is there a pun about air conditioning? Because I'm not a fan.
Shut up, you.
So, apparently Napoleon has had to stop masturbating because
Yeah.
he tore his bone apart.
Yeah, back to the line with you.
To the back.
Who's that who's taking over? Go on, Super Cal lad. You're doing well.
A circle round me, a circle round me.
Oh, good stab, Soupy. No! Oh, they were doing so well. Oh. Right, I tell you what, let's advance. Forwards. Don't get shot by that cannon. I got shot by that cannonball.
Everyone on Outlaw. On Outlaw. Come on.
Check up on the other hand.
Goodness gracious.
What's that guy doing?
On the line.
That's it, now forwards, now forwards. Don't just shoot into the bloody nothing. They're charging them. Oh, bagger.
Die, Frenchie.
Well, they got a couple of them, though.
Get in there.
Come on, you move.
Wasn't a complete washout. I mean, they did get massacred, but they took some of them with them, look. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dead Frenchmen. Too many of ours. I won't count our ones because it's a little bit embarrassing. If you would like to gamble your life away with an Irishman, then be my guest. Yes?
I locked myself out of my car, but my friend unlocked it by rubbing his leg against the door. He was lucky he had his khaki trousers on.
Oh, come on. Yes.
I hate you.
That's rude.
I think it cured my hiccups, actually.
Okay, back to that.
No, no, it didn't.
No, it didn't work.
He sent himself to the back of the line.
Good. Fine, point blank range, take aim and fire! I got one! Watch out, here he comes. Okay, we got him. We. Go ahead, let's have you. Outlaw, no! He still got me! Cavalry's not broken. Did you see how far away his sword was from my head?